I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start right away by selecting clean vitamin E, either pure oil or 1-2 punctured capsules. Once you have oil, wash hair with a mild shampoo and towel dry until damp. This helps absorption. Apply a small pea-sized amount to one area first and leave it for 24 hours as a patch test to ensure no irritation. If there's no redness or itching, you're clear to proceed. Make sure to avoid the eye area and keep a towel under your shoulders. Now, mix vitamin E with a tablespoon of a carrier oil like coconut or jojoba to thin it and improve spread. Section your hair into manageable parts. You'll apply oil to the scalp first, using fingertips to massage for 2 to 5 minutes per section. This boosts circulation and absorption. Once the scalp is covered, run remaining oil through mid-lengths to ends, but do the ends last to prevent greasy roots. Make sure to use gentle, circular motions to avoid irritating the skin. Finish by leaving the treatment on for 30 to 60 minutes for a quick boost, or overnight under a shower cap for deeper conditioning. Both work depending on your schedule. When rinsing, shampoo twice and use cool to lukewarm water to help seal the hair cuticle. Repeat this treatment once weekly to start, then adjust based on results. If you notice excess oiliness, buildup, or itching, switch to a clarifying shampoo and reduce applications to once every 1 to 2 weeks as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.